Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. By the name I'm Mr. Ashaka. I will be the one helping you with Life Sciences for grade 12. So don't worry guys, Life Science is very easy. Just have to watch my videos. Here I made a collection of different Life Sciences study guide that will help you. Number 1 we have understanding. Number 2 we have Nelson Mandela Life Sciences study guide. Number 3 we have Mind the Gap study guide. Okay, so let me take you back to grade 10. In grade 10 you have been introduced to this chapter called Chemistry of Life, where you will learning about different compound. Okay, we have organic compound and also inorganic compound. Okay, organic compound, it refers to any chemical compound that contain carbon hydrogen bond. Okay, inorganic compound, it refers to the chemical compound that do not contain carbon hydrogen bonds. Examples of organic compound, it include fats, protein, nucleic acid, and also carbohydrates. While inorganic compound, it include water and mineral salts. So in our first chapter, we are going to concentrate more towards the nucleic acid, and make sure that you have a pen and paper next to you. Okay, we have two types of nucleic acid, which are DNA and RNA. The DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid and RNA stands for ribonucleic acid. The monomers or building blocks of nucleic acid, it is called nucleotide. In this video I'm going to explain the function, the location, and also the structure of a DNA. Okay, the picture over the screen indicates the molecular DNA, as you can see, just because it has a double strand and also it has a double helix shape. The people who discovered the structure, it was Craig and Weston. The function of this molecular is to store and transmit traits from the mother to the offspring, and also this molecular, it is responsible for played a role during protein synthesis. Protein synthesis is the process in which protein is produced. Okay, so now let's focus over the location of a DNA. DNA, it is found in both plants and animal. The DNA in plants, it is located in nucleus, chloroplast, and also mitochondrion. But in animal, it is only located in nucleus and mitochondrion. The DNA which is found inside the nucleus, it is called nuclear DNA. The DNA which is found inside the chloroplast, it is called chloroplastic DNA. And the DNA which is found inside the mitochondrion, it is called mitochondrial DNA or mtDNA. This mtDNA played the important role in evolution. You will learn about it later on. Okay, so now let's talk about the structure of a DNA. As we can see over the screen, the DNA is double-stranded and it has a double helix shape. The people who discovered the structure of a DNA, it was James Weston and Crick. The function of a DNA, like I said, is to play a role during protein synthesis, and also DNA is responsible for storing and transmitting hereditary traits from the mother to their offspring. Okay, so now let's focus over the nucleotide of the DNA. The nucleotide of a DNA composed of a sugar called deoxyribose, and it has phosphate group and also nitrogenous base. The DNA has following nitrogenous base as we can see on the screen. That is A, T, G, C. A stands for adenine, T stands for thymine, G stands for guanine, and C stands for cytosine. Adenine all the time in DNA molecular pair with thymine, and guanine pair with cytosine. The bonds that join those nitrogenous base, it is called weak hydrogen bonds. Okay, while the bonds that join the amino acid together, it is called peptide bonds. You must know that. Okay, so lastly we have two groups of nitrogenous base. We have purine group, which merely contain adenine and guanine, and we have pyrimidine, which contain thymine and cytosine. So I wish you all the best, guys. Okay, so